How to fix "This site can't ask for your permission" on Chrome. This tutorial shows you how to clear overlays from other apps so the prompt can show up properly. First, swipe up to view your recently used apps on your Android device. From there, look for any apps running that might display floating bubbles or overlays, like chat heads or screen recording tools. After that, swipe up on each of those apps to close them completely. At this point, open the Settings app once you've closed everything relevant. Following this, tap Apps. From here, tap the three dots at the top right. At this stage, tap Special Access. Following this, tap Display over other apps. From here, you'll see a list of apps currently allowed to show overlays. At this stage, tap on any app you don't need floating over your screen right now. Following this, tap the toggle to turn off Allow Display over other apps for that app. Once disabled for any conflicting apps, reopen Chrome and try triggering the permission request again on the same site. That's how you fix "This site can't ask for your permission" on Chrome. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!